Well, welcome back to a new live stream, and today we will talk about how you can edit thumbnails using AI. And we will generate thumbnails through AI. We will edit it, and also I will give you and show you different website which will work for you for free. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. And if you have any question, you can just comment down in the chat, and hopefully this stream gonna be good and you will enjoy the stream and we will learn something new. Okay, we will talk with the AI, and mostly I will use today the Gemini. So let's get started. So we gonna use Gemini, so let me just open in here. I will use Firefox. Okay, let's use Firefox, and in here let's talk about Gemini. I don't know why call it Gemini. Someone called Gemini, and everyone who is coming right now must like, so we can get more peoples. So right now let's check out. Okay, this is my account, and let me show you how you can do it. For example, this is another site. I will show you in the better way. So for example, I'm going to YouTube, and YouTube, so you do not know uh, how to design a thumbnail or whatever. We will get a niche and we will talk about it. For example, I want to generate a thumbnail for a live stream, a gaming live stream. So I do not know how to generate it. So for example, let me go to gaming here. I will go to gaming. This is just one example. I am going to show you another and another. So in here, you go down here and search for your required game. For example, Roblox, Counter-Strike. For example, I will select like Battleground Mobile India or GTA 5. So I will select this. Now in here, let me open the chat first so I will see who is connected with us. So let me show you, like, you just came here. Stream is working fine. Okay, so in here you go down here and you check out the thumbnails right here, and you love a thumbnail. You can also do this, and you can also do this, like for example, if you want to do a live stream for PUBG Mobile, so you'll say PUBG Mobile live thumbnails or live streams. So I will, for example, these are the images. You can also get the thumbnail from the images right here, and you can go to this site right here, like for example Behance, Pinterest, and Behance project, whatever. For example, I go to that Behance PUBG thumbnails. Now in here you can just get a project. For example, in here for currently BGMI, this thumbnail right here. So these are the thumbnails that generate this. So for example, click on this, and let me just show you how you can edit it. So now let's make it full. Okay, and again let's control F11 or F11. Now in here you can see this is the thumbnail. We want to generate the same thumbnail like this, and we want to edit everything. What you need to do, for example, let me take a screenshot from it so we will know what we are doing. So right now we select this thumbnail. So I will go to the screenshot directory here where is pictures, and picture I will go to screenshot. Now in screenshot you can see I use this method a lot, so I will click on this, then click on edit. Once I click on edit, I will make it smaller. Then what you need to do is click on this. You can use Photoshop or whatever tool you are using. I will click on this and make it a little bit big. Okay, now crop it, and we need a thumbnail, and we need to edit this thumbnail right here, so we will save it. And you can also resize it like this. For example, YouTube needs 1280 and 720, but it maintains the aspect ratio, so I will click on OK and click on save. Okay, we click on save, and this is the file. So I will use a Gemini tool for it to edit this. So I will click on this. Here you can see the plus sign. I will make it a bit bigger. So in here you can see this plus sign. Click on this plus and then click on upload files. Click on this. Now go to that directory where your file will be located, for example image. Now in here, go down here, I will select that and click on open. Now in here you can edit this thumbnail according to your need. So I will open that thumbnail. Okay, I will double click on this, and here you can see what I want to edit it. For example, let me tell the Gemini to remove that bottom text. This is according to you. This is completely free. You do not need anything. Just Gemini and your thumbnail. Now in here you will see, for example, I will say, for example, this is channel logo. So this is my gaming channel. So I will say, like, for example, at laptop side I will say 8 a random Zorob gaming logo at left bottom side. Okay, so now when you click on this, it will add a logo right here. This is completely free. So now in here you can see at the left side the Zorob gaming logo is here. Now I want to change the pace of this, so I will edit it for my channel. So I will click on plus, then click on upload files. So I will, for example, I will use this Tom Cruise, right? And I will tell the Gemini replace not replace. Gemini or AI do not know how to replace, but swipe the person page with my this face and image. Okay, I want to edit it for my live stream. So let's see. Just a second, it will take some time. So it is now loading Nano Banana. This is a new tool by Gemini. Oh no, you are doing wrong. As far as that is not right, I will just download this. Sometime it's doing this, so I will create a new chat. I will click on plus, then click on upload files. I will go to downloads, then click on that file and upload it. And here I want to, if you want to currently I want to change the text, this 4.1. So remove the text from right bottom side. So it will remove this text and you can easily edit this thumbnail. And here you can see the text is gone. Now what I need a title for it. So I want to do, what you need to do is, for example, I will select my own text. So add this text, text to right bottom side. I will say, for example, winner, winner, and then chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. This is just an example. You can do it for whatever you want. Remember one thing. So you need to give a prompt in a detailed way so you will not lose anything and not wasting your time. So right now I tell him that add text to the right bottom side, and also winner winner will be top, and chicken dinner will be below it. So let's see how it can use that. So now here you can see winner chicken dinner. So we successfully made a thumbnail right here. Now if you want to edit this person, so I already love it, I will download this, but this is a person and he created this thumbnail. But if you want to replace it, for example, replace the person with a cute looking cat wearing the same hoodie, right? So now it will replace this person and give it, you can replace it with your own picture too. So now here you can see this person got replaced with this cat. Now if you want to change anything, just give it a prompt and everything will be changed. And let me just try, for example, click on upload files and then click on desktop. I will click on this and we will say replace the cat with this picture. Okay, so it will replace, and also this person will wear that hoodie, right? Let's see if this change work or not. So This is a free tool where you can edit thumbnails like this. Just give it a prompt and everything will be there. So now here you can see it's changed it, but it is the problem with the Gemini, and all the time it's doing this. So what we need to do is we do not need like this. So how you can change the person? There's the simple way. And the simple way is this is go to this like search face web online. It will gives you a lot of these, but this one is free. AIPaceWeb.io. You do not need to log in or something. You can also do like GIF PaceWeb and Video PaceWeb, and this is a free tool. Then in here you can need to upload that. So click on downloads and click on this and click on open, and then click on upload and select that down desktop. I will select Tom Cruise and click on open, and then start swapping. It will take some time for about 1 minute or half minute. So let's see here. You can see swapping is started. And here you can see this person is just got swapped with this. Now in here I will click on download. Once you download this, again open Gemini. Now in here you need to start a new chat. Okay, and then click on plus, then click on upload. So then click on that and open that. Now I want to change the theme of this thumbnail. So what you need here is you need to type please change the background theme for PUBG mobile live stream. Like this is now blue, so I will say like white. So I want to change the thumbnail so no one will be checking this is a copy thumbnail. So right here it will working on that. So this is not good. This is not good. Try another one which can be good for winter. Okay, you can specify a color to it and it will change the entire background of this thumbnail. And here you can see the thumbnail has changed, and now we will say like optimize it for live streaming thumbnail. Now this is the last one. We'll be sure what we got. We just give it this thumbnail and generate this one. This will be the final one. So you can just do that by picking a thumbnail and go to Gemini, give it a prompt, and you can use it for everything. So in here it is optimized. I will click on download. You can use the same image here for yourself. So now in here, let me go to downloads, and we made from this image, right? So it's a winner chicken dinner, and here it's a 4.1 update is here, and you can just edit this according to that. Now in here, so we done that by selecting a thumbnail from Behance, but for example, you want to get a thumbnail from here. Like here you can see it, this one LOL's gaming getting 13k watching, GTX Speed getting 181, and you want this thumbnail, right? So I will click on right click, then click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, what you need here is go to this site. Uh, just type thumbnail grabber YouTube. Click on this, and here you can see YouTube thumbnail grabber. Click on this, then paste that link here, and then click on get thumbnail images. Now in here it will get the thumbnail of every size here, but I want the top one, so I will click on download HD thumbnails. So it will download right here. Then I will open a new chat here. I will click on plus, click on upload files, and open that image. So this is the image. Now in here you can see Chronox Red create opening, and I want to change this text. For example, this is for LOL's gaming, right? And here you can see LOL's gaming is live, so I will say change LOL's. I think this is right here. So okay, LOL's gaming. Make sure you just put it inside a double quotation mark. Gaming live 2. We'll say Zorav gaming live. That's my okay. For example, this is just Zorav gaming live, and hit enter. So now I want to edit this thumbnail according to my need. Now it will generate the loading nano banana. And here you can see at the bottom side, you can see Zorav gaming live is live, and the LOL's gaming is gone here like this. Now in here I want to change this Chronox Red create opening. So I do not know about the title. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 words. So now in here I will go to, for example, I will go to DeepSeek, and here I will say like give me, if you have your title you can just type that, but I want a give me 4 words title for live stream. It will give me a bunch of suggestions. Oh sorry, for BGMI or PUBG mobile live stream. PUBG mobile live stream. So here you can see chasing the chicken dinner, full send for the win, unleashing the squad wipe, hot drop, high octane action. So I will click on this and click on copy, and then I will say change. So you can just tell him that change the text, but that is not good. You need to specify what you need here. So I will say change CORYONIX, and then WRAITH, and then create opening, and from change to, you can use change, but I will say replace text with, and then to or with this, right? And then hit enter. So now it will change that text to your text here. Okay, here you can see hot drop, high octane action. Now this text changed to this, the same design is the top. Now I want to change this one absolute zero vector. So I will say change or replace text, sorry, replace text. I will say, and you can just leave it like there, but right now I want to change it. So now replace text, and I will say absolute if ab salute zero vector 2 absolute, and we will say like absolute am cinema. I think this is cinema, right? Absolute, okay, not cinema, absolute am spray. SP or my spray, right? And I will click on hit enter. This is just for the purpose you can change everything. This is not, I'm not here. You can see now absolute am spray from this absolute zero vector to absolute am spray. Now I want to change the background of it, so I will say change the background theme to winter looking but aggressive. You can talk with this Gemini with Urdu or Hindi or even Pashto and or what we say Punjabi. So it will just change everything right here. Change the background theme to winter looking but aggressive. Now it is loading Nano Banana, and here you can see everything got changed. But I want this one, the top one is looking great. But if you want this one, so I will download this, right? Then after the downloading, I will go to that AI space swapper. I will click on this and click on downloads, and I click on open, and let's try paste swap. But if it is not detected, we will just go to multiple passes. It will detect that. And here you can see it not detected. So I will click on multiple passes. I will click on upload and download that image. I click on open. Now once it will, so in here we need to change and swap this image. So we will click on plus. I will upload the Tom Cruise here. Click on open and then click on this start multi-phase swapping. And here you can see our thumbnail is ready. You can upscale it right here and enhance it too. So right now you can see this is not upscaled. The skin is not looking fine. So I will say upscale, and it is completely free. You will do it and then click on upscale. Now once it is got upscaled, here you can see the face is now looking great. And now once you download this, I'll click on download, and now go to the directory, click on refresh, so it will go. So we made from this thumbnail right here, this thumbnail to this thumbnail, and you can use it for free of course. You do not need, just only need thumbnails which you like from here according to your gaming scheme or whatever. But I just put a gaming niche right here, and you can just go there. For example, I'm going to Grand Theft Auto V, and this is really a good thing. For example, if you are going live stream here, you can see it called 406 watching everything, and you can just grab that thumbnail and edit it for yourself using Gemini. So it was, we just edit multiple thumbnails. And sorry, my English is not that strong, so I'm just keep trying to tell you everything in English. So now this is one way to do it. Now another way, and getting a prompt and generate a thumbnail, how you can do that. So now in here, let me go down, and for example, I will just go down here and pick another niche, not gaming. I will go for another thing. So for example, I will go to tech related, like, and let's search for Mr. Beast. So I will say Mr. Beast. So these are Mr. Beast videos, and let me just click on this. Now in here, if you like the thumbnails right here, for example, click on videos and go down here. In here you can see these are the thumbnails, and you want to create these thumbnails and get the same quality, everything what you need here. For example, I want to edit this thumbnail or this thumbnail or this thumbnail. You can pick it up. For example, 100 words versus world's strongest man. I will right click on it, then click on copy link address. Once you get there, then click on this plus icon. Now go to any DeepSeek, Gemini or ChatGPT. So for example, I'm always using DeepSeek, so right now I'll say like I will use like ChatGPT. So I will click on plus, then click on upload photos and files, and then I will go to downloads. Did I download that? Okay, first thing we need to go to thumbnail grabber. You need to go to this site. You can use another site too. Then paste that link we copied from the Mr. Beast thumbnails, and then click on get thumbnails images, and I will click on download HD thumbnail, and it will be downloaded automatically, and it is a free service, right? Then click on ChatGPT, click on plus, then upload photos and files. Now in here we will go to downloads and select that. Okay, now in here I want to generate a thumbnail like this. Now in here you will type like this: give me prompt to make to generate, or make, for example, to generate exact thumbnail like this. Give me detail prompt for it. So I will just click on this, and it will analyze this visuals and give me a thumbnail, a prompt, sorry. So in here, create a hyper realistic. So I will copy this prompt, right? And then I will, for example, click on a new chat, and then we will say Control V, Once you get control V, then click on go. Now in here, let's see if Gemini. So let me close these. Gemini generate a thumbnail prompt, and if we getting this or not. So let's see. Here you can see, but in here they are using like too much. Here you can see this is exactly the same, but let's make it bad, for example, and not follow the instruction, and I will say try another one. We want a thumbnail like this. Here you can see that one is also good, which was generated by this, but we want exactly the same. So if you want, I can give you short simplified version, but so let me just also give that prompt to ChatGPT so it will work. I will click on Control V and then go. Okay, it will generate that too. Okay, it is generating. So let me go there and let's see. Here you can see it also generate this, but the problem with this is it is not following what I want. Now in here, let me show you. This is the problem with the Gemini. So this is a free tool here. We call it app.myshell.ai, where you can use bunch of things right here. You can use for Password die, baby pacemaker, carrier lens, whatever you wanted. These are the feature trending, Zootopia, brush strands, AI portraits, shell, everything right here by using app.myshell.ai. Now in here, I will select thumbnail maker. Here you can see thumb maker. Click on this. It will give you free coins, like for example 1 day or 2 days. So I will click on this and we will paste that here, right? And then click on enter. Once you click on enter, it will generate that. So this it will first give you the prompt and then enhance your prompt here for free. So I will click on here. You can see the man reading one man versus 100 kids, and a massive muscular man and 30 kids, whatever that is. And key element is to exaggerated size, and then click on use. You need to use this thumbnail. Then it will give everything, the man title here, the man image here, and background elements and scheme, subtitles, and then click on run. Now in here, so finally it got paid. I use it for free, but this time, what the hell? I use all these products for free. You kidding me? So now it gives you like 491, but we will use a free tool, and that's called. Let me just go to. Let me show you the free tool. Go to, where is that? Okay, come on, Microsoft Edge, and here we will say ideogram.ai. That I don't know when and how it got fed. Now in here it will gives you credits, so 10 slow credit lives reset in 1 day. So in here you can see it will give you 10 credits, and every credit for 4 thumbnail it will cost around 2 credits, I think. and you can use it for one day. It is really good deal, and you can also upgrade it right here at the left bottom side. But now I want to generate that thumbnail. So in here you can see this, we got we spent 2 credits here, and we will generate 4 thumbnail from here. And we want to generate a thumbnail like this. You can also edit it with Gemini, but I want to use it through prompting. Now in here it just generate these, here you can see, but you can just download, you can enhance this by increasing this the size of this image. The hell is my data? Oh hell. Okay, my creation, I will go to that. So in here you can select that from here, and also select that from here. So this one is really good, this one is good. I will click on downloads. Now in here I want to put my image right here at this space. So I will go to page swapper here. I will say page swap online, and this is a free tool, that is a paid one, and AI page swap, this is completely free, do not need sign up. And then click to upload, and I will click on that, open. Now in here I will select multi-faces because it's a multi-facet image. Go on this and select your image here. So now it will get a lot of things, but I want this image, this one. I'll click on plus, and we will give a Tom Cruise here. Click on open. Now I will click on start multi-face swap. Now here you can see. Now in here I will click on download, and we generate this from that image. Now I want to enhance the quality of it right here. So I will go to this side here, like here we will say photo add, this one. This is really good and it will enhance your picture, everything. So I will click on photo add, and then in here resources, where is that? This is photo add. Why not enlarge your foot? Let me just search again. So in here you can see free online AI image enlarger. It will go to this. Now click on upload image. I will click on downloads and then select that and click on open. And these are free, you do not need to log in or sign up. So it is now loading, and here you can see this one is clear, this one is not. I will click on download, and this is our file. So the previous version was this, and we just generated this. Get this, this is a complete detail. Then this, so we generate a thumbnail from this, but here you can see this is human eyes and this one is not. So what you need here is go to Gemini. I will go to Gemini here, then click on here, you can see this plus icon, and click on plus, upload files, click on this, and I will say make the left bottom side picture a picture now, left bottom side, person bigger, so cover from top to bottom of the image. I want to make this a little bit bigger. So it will loading Nano Banana Pro. Sometimes this Gemini. Okay, now it is a bit bigger. Make it more bigger. Make him more. Make the left bottom person more bigger. Person more bigger. So his face will cover top to bottom. The bottom of of the image. So in here you can see, then click on downloads. So we generate, go to downloads and click on refresh and open this. So we generate from this thumbnail to this thumbnail. You can also change the setting right here, but in here you can just see that. And let me just make it more. Make the muscular guy in the middle. Wearing red here mean that is not. Here mean like this. Let me show you the visuals. So here mean like this. Okay. So red tiered shirt showing one chest, 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 like left chest, and also tiered on left leg. Left. Let's see how it will perform. So we generate this image. We first give it to ChatGPT and it generated a thumbnail for it, prompt for it, and then we generate this from it. But I want this muscular guy wear a red shirt, so it will just a replica like this. So now we go there, and here you can see it just get that, and we got, and this is really good. And here you can see that Tom Cruise is just widening his mouth. Now quick recap how we does this. So we go to ChatGPT. Okay, we went to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT, we upload that image. We ask him to generate exact thumbnail, like give me a detailed prompt, and it gave me that prompt. Then we went to this site, we call it ideoground.ai. You can also use it. Here you can see this one is not good, but this one was exactly the same. Then we use Gemini here to make this person bigger. Like this was small and we make this person bigger, and we get the exact thumbnail. Now in here, let's do it for another thumbnail. So right here, let me just create a new chat. Now these are the thumbnail. You can generate all these by that method. So let's go down here and generate another one. So these are Mr. Beast. I will go to YouTube. I will select another one. So for example, let's get a thumbnail. So we first did for the gaming, then we just get it for the entertainment. So now let's go to trending. Okay, so gaming, live, learning, or whatever. So I will go to learning here. Once you go to learning and you get a thumbnail and you just, this is not good, so I will just search for tech site. So I'll go to MKBHD. Okay, so these are MKBHD thumbnails. Right here you can see that these are MKBHD thumbnails, and you review a phone if you want to do. So right here, let me go to the channel. It got 20 million subscribers. So let me just click on this. So these are the videos. I'll go to the videos tab, and here you can see that I will click on popular. So one video got 40 million, that one, that 28 millions. So you went up here and you want a thumbnail like this, right? Exactly like MKBHD, this one. So for example, I want to generate a thumbnail and I want to edit a thumbnail for this. I will do, let me just select this one, right? I will click on copy link address. Then we will say YouTube thumbnail grabber. So YouTube thumbnail, and now we'll say grabber, and this top side, I use it a lot. I will go to this and we will paste that link and hit enter, and with this we got this. Now I will click on download. So I want to edit it for myself. Okay, what you need here is, first of all, I want to replace my MKBHD with my own image. So this, I will use a fast swap, right? So I will say fast swap online, then go to this. This is completely free and best. You can enhance the swapping. So I will go to free AI swap online, click on this, then click on this and select that thumbnail, and then click on this, click on desktop. I will use Tom Cruise for it, and then click on open, then click on start fast swapping. Okay, now the stream is working fine. So Now the swapping is done. Here you can see the MKBHD just transferred to Tom Cruise here. I will click on upscale so the Tom Cruise become a bit more clear. Come on, this is too good. So and here you can see now the Tom Cruise is here, but I then click on download. Once you download it here, then go to Gemini. Here I will go to Gemini. And I want to edit it for myself. So I will click on this plus icon and click on upload files. And I will go to that site, gonna open. Now in here, I want to replace the text here and I want to do that. So let me open that thumbnail. So let me go to open that thumbnail first. So let me refresh it. We done these work in the live stream. For example, we generate this from this and we generate this one. So you can just review that. We generate this thumbnail from this one. Okay. And we edit it completely free. No fed work here. And we also edit. We get this from this. Here you can see that. And you can use this method and use it for all. So now in here you can see the MKBHD one. So I want to remove this 1300 and I want to say you do not need Photoshop, whatever, just AI is doing everything. Well, say replace text and specify what sort of text. So I will say replace the text 1300 to, for example, 1200. Okay. And also I will say put a random logo at right random logo to right bottom side named, will say solutions nerds, and then hit enter. So now we just get this MKBHD thumbnail and we edit through the Gemini right here and we first make it like this. Let me show that. So now it is Tom Cruise and that is MKBHD and this is Tom Cruise. And now we want to change the text and add a logo. So in here, so this the 1200 is corrected but the logo is not. So we will say put the logo at right bottom side of the image. So it will now check that. And here you can see that now the logo is down here. And let me just change the coloring of it. I will say change the color of logo to match, remember TCH match the aqua sky blue. This is, I think the color is aqua sky blue. So when you hit enter, it will change the thumbnail for you. So we first download this and make this Tom Cruise and now here you can see it changed it the same. It is like this. Now I want to change the screen a bit, and then I want to replace the mobile screen visuals, with the patron. This is just an example. You can use whatever you wanted, but replace the mobile screen visual with the patron of fruits or watermelon. So we say watermelons. Make it watermelons. Okay, I will click on this. Let's see how Gemini works. And you can edit any thumbnail, grab it from here, either it is a live stream, either whatever that is, and you like that stream, like that thumbnail, and use it for your own content. And you can apply this method and just simply, here you can see this change to a watermelon and make it a bit catchy. So you can do that like this using the AI. I already done that. We already do that like this, and we generate all of these using this free method. For example, you like this thumbnail, right? And you want a thumbnail like this. Just simply download that thumbnail with that method and you will get this thumbnail, right? We just give it and also change the background, everything. Then what you need here, for example, we also got this, and we generate this. Simple. And we download this and we generate this. Simple with free tool. And we got this. And let me just refresh it. We got this, right? And we generate this from it. But I want to put, you can also put the icons in here. Just simply thumbnail making is not completely free, and you can generate. I am using the same method in here. You can see all of these thumbnails I made from this simple free method. And you just go there. If you want a thumbnail for your content right here, you like that thumbnail, just follow these steps and get that thumbnail for your content. So this was a quick video, not quick video, but a quick stream today. So I want to show you how you can do that with just following these free steps. And for free software like Fastweb AI and Google Gemini, and show you how powerful it is, how you can use the ChatGPT to get the prompt. So hopefully you enjoyed the live stream, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe. If you not like the stream yet, so like the stream. And have a good day, have a good night, sweet dreams, Allah Hafiz. And if you have any question, comment down below. I will reply every single question you ask from me. And thanks for watching.